Good afternoon. Let me move my logo here. In this video, we will be going over the StockTake app. StockTake app is what we use to control our inventory counts for in stores or here at HQ or any location that's assigned to your Shopify Plus plan. In this instance, we will go over doing a full inventory count for your specific location, or doing a cycle count, which is for just doing a inventory count for one specific product or multiple, but you do have to assign it. To begin with, we're going to start at our Shopify Plus home admin page, and you'll actually go down to apps. From there, you will select StockTake. A new window will appear, and you'll see if you are continuing a StockTake or if you have already started one, they will be listed here. But if you want to start a new one, it takes StockTake app will take all the available locations that are set up here in our Shopify store and list them, and you will simply select the location you're at. For in this instance, we are at 11473 HQ office, so I will go ahead and select HQ, and then on the top right, you will select Next. By doing this, you can name your StockTake. You can put the date, if there's a specific product, you can name it whatever you want to kind of for more reference for yourself. For this example, we'll just do example StockTake. If you scroll down, you notice two separate things. There's cycle count. What cycle count is if you're only cycle counting specific products. By selecting this and then scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page, you'll see select products. By picking pick products, this is where you'll go to select the products that you want to scan to do a inventory count on. For instance, if we want to do the Ashen shirt, simply type in the product, or you can even type in the barcode, and you want to select Ashen. From there, you will then select the select button. You'll notice on the bottom that it says picked products Ashen. You'll also notice how it says all products at HQ has been deselected and is now doing select products. Just to let you know, if you did cycle count and kept all products, if you do not uncheck that all products, when you complete the StockTake, everything in your inventory will be wiped to zero that has not been scanned. That is why it's very important when you select cycle count to also select products with the products in question. If this is an instance where you're wanting to do a full inventory count of the entire store location, you will unclick select count, cycle count, and you'll click all products at HQ. Meaning when I start to scan, all products that are not scanned that are currently have inventory will be wiped to zero once you are completed with this StockTake. For instance, we'll do a cycle count for right now, and we'll simply just do a selected products to the Ashen. By selecting those two, you'll then click Next on the top right. It takes a moment for it to kind of search for the inventory. It takes a moment, but it does work. You'll notice because I selected Ashen, the variants connected to Ashen are only 8 product variants, meaning small, extra small, medium, large, extra large. That's one variant per. So one variant is small, another variant is extra small, another variant is medium, and so forth. From here, you will start to scan. Once scanned, or if you do not have the scan, you can simply type it in. You'll see how the Ashen pops up. According to Shopify, we have 2 Shopify in stock for size 15.5. When you start to scan, this number will change to 1 and then 2, And if you scan 2 products and Shopify shows that it has 2 products, it will simply say stock match. Let's say you only have 1 product in general for 15.5. Shopify may say we have 2, but you only scanned 1. It will say stock mismatched. This is going to help us with knowing what products are in stock and not in stock and so forth. Let's say you're going through and you want to cancel this stock take for any reason by going up to more actions and selecting cancel stock take. This will cancel this and remove and delete this stock take that you have just set up. If you need to stop and save and exit for any reason, simply click save and exit. And we'll try giving that an option now. If you need to step away, you'll notice how it says continue stock taking. This is the example stock take. You see you can click through to each, but in this case, we're going to do example stock take and we want to rejoin. Let's say you had to step away and you have to go back to it to continue scanning. Continue stock taking means this is not completed. It just simply means that you just are paused for a moment. So by going back to it, you're going to want to make sure that the checkbox is to the left and click next once again. This does take a bit of a moment, and you'll see how I had selected 1 for the 15.5 as a save. From here, let's say you are done completed with the stock take itself. You'll go to update inventory, and it says apply inventory changes to 11473. What this is doing is what it's saying is that what I scanned, I said I only scanned 1 unit. Shopify shows 2, so the difference is -1. It shows your retail value and the cost of our goods of what we'll be losing because we only have 1 of 2. Once you select update inventory, as mentioned before, if these are the only things you've scanned for the Ashen product itself, by selecting update inventory, all other variants, meaning the small, the medium, the large, whatever size it may be, whether it's 16 or 16.5 or 17, all inventory will then be wiped to 0. So again, to make sure this is all accurate, that everything that you have selected is scanned in your location before selecting update inventory.